Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. Today we are here with the Monetary Policy 2080-81 and let's describe some of the highlights of Monetary Policy 2080-81. Bank rate remains steady at 7.5%. Nepal Rastra Bank aims to limit inflation to 6.5% in the current fiscal year and managing financial resources towards productive sector to achieve the targeted 6% economic growth. Deposit collection rate has been lowered from 5.5% to 4.5%. Cash reserve ratio unchanged at 4%. SLR unchanged to 12% from commercial banks and 10% for development banks and finance companies. Real estate policy unchanged. The loan limit for first home buyers has been increased from Rs 1.5 crores to 2 crore, encouraging merger acquisition and study report implementation. Nepali citizens traveling abroad to receive up to US$ 2,500 as a passport facility, as increased from the previous limit of US$ 1,500. And this is the some highlights of monetary policy. For more information of monetary policy 2080-81, let's start the video. Highlights of Monetary Policy 2080-81. The Nepal Rastra Bank's fiscal year 2080-81 monetary policy announcement includes several significant measures to address the prevailing economic conditions. Those points are as follows. The first one is policy rate reduction. The policy rate has been reduced by 50 basic points, bringing it down to 6.5%. This steps aims to promote borrowing and investments, spurring or to promote economic growth. Unchanged bank rate. The bank rate remains steady at 7.5% as previous. This decision indicates the central banks committed to maintaining financial stability and controlling inflation. Likewise, adjusted deposit collection rate. The deposit collection rate has been lowered from 5.5% to 4.5%. This move aims to encourage banks to collect more deposits and enhance liquidity in the banking system. Similarly, operational targets set. The weighted average interbank interest rate will be utilized as the operational target. This approach facilitates efficient interbank lending and borrowing, ensuring better monetary control. Next one is secondary market transactions and deposit collection. If the weighted average interbank interest rate falls between the bank rate and the deposit collection rate, it will trigger the opening of secondary market transactions and encourage deposit collection initiatives. This measures promotes liquidity management and foster a conducive financial environment. Similarly, other highlights of monetary policy. Unchanged liquidity facilities. The Nepal Rastra Bank maintains the permanent liquidity facility at the bank rate and the overnight liquidity facility at the policy rate unchanged. This ensures that banks have access to sufficient liquidity, fostering stability in the financial sector. Stability through unchanged ratios. The mandatory cash ratio, cash reserve ratio, and statutory liquidity ratio (SLR and CRR) have been retained at their current levels. These ratios ensure that banks maintain a certain percent of their deposits in the form of cash or liquid assets, contributing to overall financial system stability. Enhancing the interest rate corridor. To strengthen the effectiveness of the interest rate corridor, arrangements are being made to establish a permanent deposit collection facility at the lower limit of the interest rate corridor. These measures enhance the central bank's ability to regulate interest rates within a specified range, leaving risk weighting provisions for share mortgage and loans. In this current fiscal year's monetary policy, no changes were made to the existing arrangements regarding share securities, maintaining the status quo from the previous monetary policy. The previous monetary policy had set a maximum limit of 12 crore rupee for a single customer to obtain margin loans from one or multiple licensed financial institutions, and this limit remains unchanged in the current monetary policy. Share investors have been requesting an easing of share mortgage loan provisions, but there were no adjustments made to address their demands in this year monetary policy. The existing risk weightage for the disbursement of share or securities loan, real estate loans, and hire purchase loans is to be reviewed. Currently, loans up to 25 lakhs flowing into share securities carry a risk weight of 100%, while loans above that have a risk weight of 150%. The monetary policy declares that this system will be amended, making it more convenient for banks to provide loans on share securities within the 12 crore limit. Notably, this year's monetary policy does not mention the provision of margin loans on shares through share brokers, indicating a departure from the previous policy's announcement. Similarly, real estate policy unchanged in this monetary policy 2080 and 81. Nepal Rastra Bank maintains the previous policy in the real estate business for the current fiscal year 2080-81. The policy allows loans on real estate mortgage based on a maximum of 30% of their fair market value in the Kathmandu Valley and a maximum of 40% in other locations. Deposits demands to increase the credit limits to 70% on real estate mortgages. Nepal Rastra Bank has not made any concessions considering real estate as unproductive. Real estate loans predominant. Banks and financial institutions have been providing loans mostly on the mortgage of real estate, constituting 68% of the total loans disbursement by this institution until the end of date in the fiscal year 2079-80. Data from Nepal Rastra Bank reveals that a total of Rs 48.58 crore in loan were disbursed during this period, with houses and land used as a collateral for loans worth Rs 33.3 crore. In this monetary policy 2080-81, first home buyers loan limit increases. Nepal Rastra Bank has made a significant concession to the general public buying their first home. The loan limit for first home buyers has been increased from Rs 1.5 crore to Rs 2 crore in the current monetary policy. This move aims to support and encourage first-time home buyers, making it easier for them to enter the real estate market and own a residential property. Nepal Rastra Bank's role in regulating real estate sector. In this area, Nepal Rastra Bank plays a crucial role in regulating the real estate sector to ensure financial stability. By maintaining the loan-to-value ratio, Nepal Rastra Bank aims to strike a balance between promoting responsible lending and managing risk in the real estate market. Current monetary policy encouraging mergers, acquisitions, and study report implementation. Nepal Rastra Bank aims to reduce the number of microfinance institutions, encouraging mergers and acquisition in the microfinance sector. Integration to be completed by the end of ASAR 2081. Benefits includes improved efficiency and enhanced service offerings. Likewise, Nepal Rastra Bank will implement a study report recommendation to address sector challenges. Gradual implementation of findings to improve overall performance of the financial sector. Emphasize on financial stability, efficiency, and growth in the microfinance landscape. Current monetary policy enhanced monetary provisions for overseas travel. Nepal Rastra Bank announces new monetary policy for the current fiscal year 2080-81. Provisions for Nepali citizens traveling abroad to receive up to $2,500 as a passport facility as increases from the previous limit of $1,500. The enhanced provisions allows individuals to access the facility twice a year for travel to countries other than India. For air service providers abroad, licensed A-class commercial bank can facilitate payments of up to $100,000 US dollar or other convertible foreign currency based on regulatory approval and prescribed documentation. Current monetary policy 2080-81, controlling inflation and managing loan growth. Under this, Nepal Rastra Bank aims to limit inflation to 6.5% in the current fiscal year. Monetary management strategy will be employed to maintain a stable economic condition and prevent price pressure from monetary expansion. Caution monetary mobilization will be emphasized to mitigate potential inflationary risk. To ensure financial stability, Nepal Rastra Bank set a growth rate limit of 11.5% for loans to the private sector. This measure aims to prevent excessive credit expansion and manage potential economic imbalances. And Nepal Rastra Bank's approach seeks to strike a balance between supporting economic activities and managing risk. And this much for today's video. I hope you like this video. This is all about the monetary policy 2080-81, some highlights. And in this video, we try to show up you some of the major highlights of monetary policy 2081-81. And if you want more about this monetary policy, we will come up with the next video according to the demand. And thank you for watching us. If you are new in our channel, please do subscribe our channel, do comment, and do not forget to share this video. Thank you for watching us.